we thank Allah Azza wa Jal that He has made us amongst the followers of Muhammad and Ali Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam. As you all know, the current situation of the world is in chaos. And you see all over the world, there are wars, there are fights, people are fighting over land, people are fighting for their religion, people are fighting for their nationality, people are fighting for which group, which color, which purpose they belong to. This world that we are living in should be a world of peace. It should be a world of harmony. It should be a place of love for our children. But we are seeing that instead of being peace in the world, instead of there being love in the world, wherever we look now, hatred is being spread. Whether hatred is in the name of religion, whether hatred is in the name of what color you are, whether hatred is in the name of which group, which sect, which form of belief you have, people are being killed. The bottom line is that people are being killed, people are being slaughtered, people are being killed in such a way that you are seeing women being raped, you are seeing women being killed, you are seeing children being slaughtered like sheep and lamb. You have all heard how the situation of Parachinar is, how the situation of our Shia brothers, our Shia sisters, our Shia mothers, our Shia fathers are in the state of Pakistan. Yesterday, the tragedy which took place in Khurram, in Parachinar, you all saw and you are all seeing the images which are coming out of Parachinar. We remember Palestine, we remember Gaza, we are seeing the slaughter of innocent souls in Gaza and Palestine. We are seeing the killing of innocent people in Yemen and in Lebanon. We are seeing the killing of Muslims in Afghanistan. But all of these countries, they have a voice. They have people speaking for them. Why is it when it comes to Parachinar? Why is it when it comes to Quetta? Why is it when the Shia of Pakistan are being killed because of the belief and love that they have for Muhammad and Ali Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam? Why is it that the world is quiet? Why is it that the news channels are quiet? Why is it that the media is quiet? Don't they have a voice? Don't they have the love of Rasulullah? Don't they have the right to live their life the way they want to live their life? Why is it that the UN is not speaking about this? Why is it that all of the human rights throughout the world, all of the groups that are trying to help innocent people, why is it when it comes to Parachinar, the world is quiet? Alhamdulillah, you have seen that always from the platform of Anjuman Ghulamane Awlad Zahra Salamullah Alayha, on behalf of the Wakefield Mu'mineen, the believers of Muhammad and Ali Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam, we have always raised our voice for the innocent people of the world. We Shia do not look at if someone is a Muslim. We don't look at what is their color, what is their sect, what is their belief. But when it comes to humanity, we are all equal. Because we have taken lesson from no other than Amir al-Mu'mineen, Ali ibn Abi Talib alayhi salatu wasalam. Our Mawla says, someone is your brother either in religion or someone is your equal when it comes to humanity. We are all equal. We are all humans. We all have the right to live our life the way we want to live our life.